garden and working its way through Noah, Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Ultimately expressed through the life, death, and resurrection of Jesus, it is the thread of restoration. God's grand desire to see all of us restored into a graceful relationship with our Creator, one another, and ourselves. God calls us to join Him at work, following the Spirit's thread of restoration wherever we go. Seeing this world through His eyes and not our own, we offer up second chances and fresh starts in the name of Jesus. We bring hope to the hopeless, peace to the chaos, and love to the broken. We have been given a ministry of restoration.